hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on.
Was it eating chocolate?
So we missed two, well, one day. We missed the second. Where's the second? Number 2. Here,
two.
number 2. Good job. We missed number 2. You need help? No? You got it? And now we need to do number 3. Where's number 3? Right here. So you get 2 chocolates today, huh? Good job.
I got it.
And this is Daisy. Daisy Duck. Hey there, welcome to Vlogmas number 4. So today I have a really late start to the day because I think it's 2 p.m. It's about to be nap time, so I'm just gonna put her down for a nap and have a lot to clean because we cook a lot yesterday. And I made the mistake of editing yesterday's video today. That means I edited today and posted it today. So the video prior to this one, I edited today, put it up today. I'm rambling, okay, whatever. Point is, I need to clean. I'm making pasta today. It's an easy dish that I do, quick one. This is the kind of things that happen in my house.
I put my hat.
I saw that. Good job. So let's get this house in order. And this is a little OTD for staying at home doing things. A little Elmo moment. Some bike riding shorts. Yeah, that's what they call it. Yeah, just gonna be chilling today. Okay, so the baby is napping and I have to clean this mess. This is a little overview of what I'm dealing with. And we have more here. I'm not gonna show you a clean with me because I don't have enough time to set it up and do all that. But if you follow me on Instagram, you're going to see the before and after. So make sure to follow me. So I was able to get it done. These are waiting for her to wake up and then I can put them back in her room, but I'm proud of myself. So this is how I look anytime I clean. I just like to clean with my headphones on so I don't disturb her sleeping because I clean while she sleeps. So now I hope that she sleeps for a few more minutes so I can clean the floor because this floor is crazy from all the flour and stuff from yesterday. So I'm gonna try to tackle that. Okay, so I know that on every vlog I've been sharing a recipe, and don't get me wrong, I love cooking, but that's not all that I do. But I am gonna share a recipe also today with you. Just bear with me. This is not, you know, everything you're gonna see. But today I am going to attempt to make hot chocolate bombs. This is my first time making them, so we're gonna learn together. Let's do this. Okay, so to do this, we're gonna need a sphere or round mold. We're gonna need melting chocolate. I have white and I have this candy melts. You definitely don't need the candy melts, but I just want it to be fancy. You need hot chocolate powder and marshmallows if you want to. This is optional. Like this, and these are optional. So, what?
Chocolate.
Hold on.
Yay.
So first thing I did is melting my chocolate. I melted it in intervals of 10 and 15 seconds. Then I put it on the mold, trying to cover all the sides. And then I put them in the freezer for about 5 minutes. Took them out of the mold, and this is how they look. They are a little smaller because I didn't have the right mold for this. And then I pour the cocoa powder in just 1/2 of the molds. And I added little marshmallows. This is totally not necessary. And then to attach the spheres, I just melted a little bit of the edge of one side and just put it on top of the other one. And this is a little decoration. This is candy melts. And this is how I use them. I just put them in a mug. I heated up some milk. A little spilling happened there because I didn't plan that well, but that's basically the idea. And then you stir it and the marshmallows pop up and it looks really cute. So that's it for today's vlog. It wasn't as eventful as I hoped, but you cannot say I didn't teach you anything. I hope you make the chocolate bomb recipe and tag me on my Instagram and show me your creations. It was a little messy, but I don't know, something different to try. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content, and I see you tomorrow.